YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? So today I have a tutorial for you guys, and it's just a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. So yes, so before we start, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you guys waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it with all my heart. Give this video a thumbs up. So this is the Anastasia powder duo, and this is in the color Granite, and I believe they have a lot of colors. So this one is the one that I use right here. So let me put my hair up very quick. So I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of more information on the stuff that I use. So like I said, this is the product I use for my brows. This is the brush that I use right here. You can use any brush actually. I mean, I don't think it really matters. It's just your personal preference. And this one, I actually purchased it on eBay maybe like a year ago or so. The product that I love using for my brows, and it's weird because it's not a product for your brows at all, but I love it. It's the Becca right here, and it's just a primer. It's a matte primer. So this is the one I start using it now. Well, when I prime, I apply some on my brows, and I feel like it holds up my hair very nicely. So I'll apply them, like, look it. I don't know if you can see, like, look at how straight up and high they are. Like, this product is amazing. And like I said, it's not for, brows, but I mean, I just love it. I do not use this light one right here. I do not use that one. I just use that one for my whole brow. But I'm going to show you guys it very quick. Start from here. I'll just start from here, and then I'll just follow the line. And just start creating your own brows. And once I do the line that I like for the bottom, then I'll go to the top and I'll start creating the line that I want. So from there, I'll start filling up my brows. Okay, so once I get to this right here, I actually don't really put any product on it, so I just come with the spoolie side, and I'll just start combing up my hair, bringing up the product that I have already lined right here on the bottom. So I'll just bring the product up. So now I have the spoolie on this side, which is the tip right here, and then I'll flip it this way, and then I'll swipe it inwards, as you can see. So that way we can have like a little ombre kind of look or effect, you want to call it. So then I'll grab more of the powder very quick, and then I'll just start filling in some of the spots that I feel that are blotchy. So we'll try to fill up. I mean, because once you start combing and everything, the product does kind of disappear a little. So right now you don't really have to worry about if you mess up, because if you do, don't forget we are going to clean up our brows. So now I'm just going to do the other brow really quick, and this one is the one that gives me a hard time, but I'll try to make it look like this one. Okay, so this is what I have my eyebrows looking so far. So the next product I'm going to use is this Maybelline product right here, and it's the Fit Me, and this is in the color Sand. You can use any concealer just to clean underneath your brows. So let me just remove my greñas. So I'm just gonna come, my goodness, my hair is like all over the place. I'm going to use for my brows is this one right here. It's just a flat brush. This one I actually purchased it on eBay, and I purchased this years ago, like years ago. So it has a no name, but I love this brush. And then I just spread the concealer evenly. Okay, now I'm gonna do the other eye really quick. So then from this point on, I'm just gonna make sure, and I'm gonna look in the mirror. Then I like to see, you know, which side it needs more definition or they're all the same. So just right here is just like your preference. And then I'm just gonna come in with my Sonia sponge, and I'm just gonna line everything down very quick and blend in right here. And I do not like to do the top. Normally I feel like the top, I just feel it's fine. But you could clean the top as well if that is your preference. But I just like to leave it out as how it is. So right now I feel like my brows look good, and just that's in my point of view. So you guys, here's the tutorial on how I create my brows. Like I said, it's just my preference. Everybody else's preference is different than mine. If I missed any steps, forgive me. If I did not explain correctly, please forgive me as well. Go ahead and just do my makeup very quick, and then we'll be back. So you guys, this is how I do my eyebrows, and I hope you love this tutorial. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up, and to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to comment down below what is your favorite products to do your brows. I would love to know. So yes, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial, and bye.